The biggest lie young people are told is that money doesn't grow on trees. Because the truth is, it absolutely does. You've just never been shown where to plant it. Trees don't appear overnight. They start as seeds, small, repeatable actions that compound in the background while you sleep. The world taught you to harvest with your hands. No one taught you to plant with your mind. They pointed at the forest and said, "Look, scarcity." But they never showed you the orchards built by people who stopped selling their hours and started growing assets. So ask yourself, what if you stopped chasing paychecks and started planting systems? Because the old rules say work harder. The new rules say plant smarter. And once you see where the soil is, you'll never unsee it. From day one, we're lined up on a conveyor belt. Study hard, pick a major, collect debt, land a secure job, trade weekdays for weekends, climb a ladder with missing rungs. Hope the view is worth the years. We're told it's safe, predictable, responsible. But look closer. Your time gets budgeted by someone else's calendar. Your raises trail inflation. Your energy funds a machine you don't own. You're promised freedom later if you sacrifice freedom now. Ask yourself, who actually wins on this path? The people selling hours, or the people who own the systems those hours power? Because serious wealth doesn't come from clocking more time. It comes from planting assets that work while you don't. And that's the part they never teach in class. So when they say money doesn't grow on trees, remember? They're talking about shovels, not seeds. If working harder was the answer, everyone with a job would be rich. But they're not. The real difference? Some people trade time for money, while others build systems that make money for them. A job pays you once. A system pays you again and again after the work is done. Time is an hourglass you can't refill. Systems are orchards you plant once to harvest for seasons. Wealth doesn't reward the busiest hands. It rewards the smartest levers. Build the levers. That's where passive income comes in, not get rich quick. Building income streams that don't depend on you working every single day. Think of it as system-powered income. Front-load the work. Let assets earn on their own cycle. Royalties from a book or song, dividends from stocks, rent from a property, a course, an app, a template, an affiliate funnel, a YouTube back catalog. Small engines multiplied. What it isn't, zero work. You'll still build. You'll still maintain. You'll occasionally repair. The difference is leverage. Hours decoupled from output. Scalable, automatable, repeatable, durable. If it stops the moment you stop, it's not passive. It's another job. Start simple. Ship one asset. Plug into a system, then stack. This isn't magic. It's mechanics. And once you see it, the work harder forever story starts to crack. One of the simplest paths is dividend investing. Instead of just buying stocks and hoping they go up, you own companies that pay you a slice of their profits regularly. Think Starbucks, PepsiCo, McDonald's. Checks for holding, not hustling. But here's the catch. To make it meaningful, you need real capital. A 3% yield on $10,000 is $300 a year. On $100,000, it's $3,000. On $1,000, it's $30,000. Passive, not fast. What you can do now: pick quality payers, reinvest dividends, drip, add consistently, and let time compound. Avoid chasing ultra-high yields. This is planting trees, slow roots, steady shade. You have a skill. Instead of selling your time, turn it into a digital system, a course, a guide, a template. Once it's built, it can sell over and over again. That's the difference between a job and a system. Set up a simple page to sell it automatically. One sale at midnight, another at lunch. Royalties from your skills, like dividends from your brain. Platforms like YouTube have changed everything. Anyone can build an audience and get paid for attention. But it's not about posting more. It's about posting better. Every video is a digital asset that can pay you for years. One great piece beats 20 forgettable ones. Master the craft. Start with a hook that makes a clear promise. Package it like a pro with a title that opens a loop and a thumbnail that tells a story. Build a repeatable system. Study your analytics to see what works, then iterate. Monetize with ads, sponsors, and your own products. Let content feed products, and products feed content. This isn't endless hustle. It's building assets that free you. You don't need your own product. Recommend something you use and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Simple idea, but powerful at scale. Start with trust. Recommend only what you'd buy again and disclose clearly. Your word is the asset. Create helpful content like Best for X or A versus B comparison videos. Place links in your description and pinned comment. One great evergreen review can pay for years. Let the links work while you sleep. Some people go even further. They build tools or software that solve real problems. And instead of getting paid once, they charge monthly. That's predictable income, where real wealth starts building. Turn your skills into digital assets. A designer can sell icon packs. A coder can build a micro SaaS. A creator can launch a course with a community. Find a painful, frequent task. Ship an MVP that nails 2 to 3 outcomes. Let systems, not hours, carry the weight. This isn't grinding harder, it's planting smarter seeds that keep paying while you sleep. Sometimes the best investment isn't in stocks, it's in people, small businesses, ideas. That's how many millionaires actually grow their money. Back operators, not fantasies. Take a slice of cash flow. You don't need millions. Start with small checks for profit shares or revenue-based financing. Look for boring winners, laundromats, niche e-commerce, micro SaaS. Bring a system, earn your slice. You fund ads, they fulfill. This is planting living assets rooted in real cash flow. Equity that pays while you sleep. Most people are sitting on opportunities. Your spare room, your car, your camera. Things you already own can become income streams. Turn idle into income. Rent out your space for short stays, your car when you're not using it, or your gear by the day. Even your skills and creative assets, like templates or photos, can be licensed or sold. Package it with a clear offer, build trust with insurance and contracts, and list on multiple platforms. You don't need new things, just new thinking. Start with what's already in your hands. You already have pieces, rooms, skills tools. But pieces don't compound. Systems do. A system is repeatable, documented, automated, protected. One offer, one process, one place it lives. Then let it run. So no, money doesn't grow on trees, but it does grow from the systems you build. The question is, are you still trading time for money, or are you building something that pays you back? Pick one asset, productize it, automate one step, ship it this week. The biggest lie young people are told is that money doesn't grow on trees, because the truth is, it absolutely can. Just not in the way you've been taught. From a young age, we're told to follow a simple path. Go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, and maybe retire at 60. But think about it. Does that sound like freedom or just survival? Because if working harder made people rich, everyone with a 9-to-5 would already be wealthy. But they're not. We're taught to trade time for money, 1 hour for a fixed paycheck. But the wealthy play a different game. They don't just work for money, they build assets that make money for them. If you have capital, you can invest. If you don't, you invest your time to create a digital asset, build it once, and get paid over and over again. The goal is to stop trading hours for money and start building assets that work for you. Own the system and let the system pay you. This is exactly why content creation is so powerful. Platforms like YouTube have changed everything. Instead of working for someone else, you can build your own audience and get paid for attention. But here's the part no one tells you. It's not easy. It takes time, consistency, and a lot of patience. But once it works, it keeps working. Other ways to build passive income include affiliate marketing, renting out things you already own, investing in small businesses. None of these are get rich quick, but they all follow one rule: make money without trading time. So if you really want to build wealth, stop asking, where should I invest $1? And start asking, how do I build something that pays me forever? Because once you understand this, money doesn't just grow on trees. You start planting the trees yourself.